stories also of what all I've done and what is the reason why I started this and how I'm doing it without any, financial motive in the picture.
Yeah. I really understand.
That question
Yamini,
will always remain. Yes.
Yeah, I'm really sorry, but I cannot join it for long. So I'll definitely see your recording. You have already started recording and you'll share it now.
Yes.
I'm really sorry. This is my classes time scheduled
No
over here.
No issues. Yeah, please carry on with your class. I'll be sharing the recording. Yeah. Bye-bye. Nice connecting with you, Gunjan.
Bye.
Bye. We'll just wait for 5 more minutes. You all have been very disciplined and coming on time. If no one else joins, maybe we can just share the recording with them. In the meanwhile, if you all have any doubts, please go ahead, shoot it across to me. Sneha, Archita, Mehak, Teesta. Hi, Sneha. Yes, you wanted to ask me something, Sneha? Would you have any questions? No. Teesta, how about you? Sneha, did we speak? Because there are 3 Snehas in the group. So this morning I got a call from one of them. I'm not too sure if it was you.
We will speak. No. Hi, Yamini. So I want to ask when the deadline for the submission of the videos would be?
Would be 30th of October.
30th of October.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are likely, yes. We are likely to launch between 10th and 15th of November. From 10th to 15th, one of the dates in between. And you need to submit your videos by 30th of October. The reason being, I will be adding all the tagging, description and your availability, your phone numbers, your email, your websites, your Instagram page links and all. So that technical part needs to be done by me. And therefore, I need by 30th of October.
Plus, it's a bunch of people who will be compiling, right? So I'm sure it might take a while. So it's good that you're taking 2 weeks to compile everything. It's very structured. I quite like the way you explained everything. It was very nice. I got quite intrigued and I was like, okay, I'm quite excited to be part of this.
That's nice. Thank you. So I think let me start with my backstory. Just 1 second. I think there are some messages coming on the group. See, the backstory is why did I start the whole concept? It was started because one of my friends, she lost her husband last year to COVID. And she was rendered absolutely without any income and 2 bache. So what happened was she started a masala mirchi wala business somehow to run. And then she started propagating it through WhatsApp, Facebook and friend circle, family, relatives. अब क्या होता है एक पॉइंट के बाद ना इज्जत की बात आ जाती है कि मैं कितने बार तुम्हें रिमाइंडर करूं यार कि आगे बढ़ा दो मेरा बिजनेस so there is a self respect, there is a dignity. You can't keep begging in your friend circle to propagate you, so that becomes a limitation. So from that point of view, we are going to be a channel where it's a shopping channel basically. The channel would be on YouTube. So it's like if somebody, for instance, you all have come through Malini's Girl Tribe. So if somebody on Malini's Girl Tribe says, I want homemade soap, ya mere baal jhad rahe hain, instead of some lady from Mamaearth coming and saying, why don't you try Mamaearth's product? I think it would be better for someone to say, you go on V channel, tujhe wahan zarur mil jayega. Or I want somebody who does digital content writing for me. Go there. They are all women entrepreneurs. So you will find there someone or the other would be providing this product. And when I go searching for maybe a soap or a shampoo, I incidentally see a Spanish language instructor over there. I also see a yoga instructor. I see a digital entrepreneur. So I'm like, oh, okay. तो इसका मतलब मुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम ये सब कुछ लगेगा ना तो आई नो दैट मैं वे में जाऊंगी तो मुझे सब कुछ मिल जाएगा वहां पे. So it's a one-stop solution for products as well as services. The niche would be when I carry it to somebody and say, please यहाँ आ जाओ shopping के लिए. तो यहाँ क्यों आए? यहाँ इसलिए आइए क्योंकि आपको प्रोडक्ट्स भी मिलेगा, सर्विसेज भी मिलेगा, और ये सब औरतें प्रोवाइड कर रही है, तो आप बिजनेस औरतों को दे रहे हो. एंड औरतें एज इन दे आर नॉट लाइक बिग इंक्स और समथिंग और मल्टीनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन who are giving it to small scale SMEs who are just starting out. So you're trying to uplifting them and giving them that opportunity. So that's how it is. I'm not going to be charging any commission out of it. जो भी business आएगा, as I said, in fact, I'm doing it out of my pocket because I need to go and tell people कि आप इधर आओ, इस channel में आके देखो, आपको products मिलेंगे. I'm not gonna charge a single penny today, tomorrow, for a lifetime from any of you for any business that you get through WeChannel. It's only exclusively your money, your connect with your customer, how you deal with them. In fact, there is a probability that when a customer is coming in saying, I need homemade chicken in Thane, maybe 3 cloud kitchens who have been tagged under Thane would pop up, like Shree's Cloud Kitchen, Srimati's Cloud Kitchen, and maybe one more cloud kitchen of Shrija. Now, मुझे श्रीजा से लेना है, श्रीमती से लेना है या श्री से लेना है, that will depend on how all 3 of them have projected themselves in their videos to me. कि श्री बोल रही है मैं मम्मी के मसालों से मैं चिकन बना रही हूँ, दूसरी बोल रही है नहीं मेरे चिकन मैरिनेट होते हैं 6 घंटे, तीसरी बोल रही है तो it's up to me which chicken I like. I'm going to show all 3 of your videos popping up over there. अब उसमें किसका वीडियो पहले आएगा? पहले उसका वीडियो आएगा जिसके वीडियो को ज्यादा व्यूज मिले हैं, और जब आप वीडियो शेयर करोगे आपके वीडियो के नीचे मुझे कमेंट्स चाहिए. कमेंट्स वुड बी ऑफ योर एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट्स और कस्टमर्स हु हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड योर सर्विसेज. लाइक आपका प्रोडक्ट सच में, मैंने चिकन बिरयानी उस दिन अर्जेंसी में मंगाई थी, आपने फटाफट बना के भेज दिया, लेकिन फिर भी इट वाज सो टेस्टी. सो यू हैव अ रियल कस्टमर गिविंग अ फीडबैक. सो व्हेन आई गो एज अ probable customer and I see 3, मैं नीचे देखूंगी यार फीडबैक किसका ज्यादा अच्छा है, and then I'll decide. Or the way you connect with me on your video while you explain your product and services, I'll say I'm more comfortable maybe dealing with this particular female. So that's how the whole process is going to be. Basically, women entrepreneurs, हम लोग ये नाम शायद change करें, will not continue with the same name when we launch in November. We might change the name. Basically, we are trying to make it like this is a bouquet channel where instead of going to Amazon, you come to me and you'll get services, you'll get products, and you'll get all of these offered by women. And when they come shopping over there, they're going to see all of your videos popping up and they're going to recollect that every time I need something, I need to go over there. So that's how the concept is.
Yeah, that was really clear. I'm quite glad you started this. It's like I've mentioned, like it's a really good initiative and I'm quite excited to be part of it.
Sure. Thank you. I'm excited to see all your videos coming up on the screen because वहाँ पे I will not be making any distinction. आप लोग जो दोगे अपना वीडियो जैसा दोगे, I'll only be adding how to tag you so that each time somebody searches you, there is a probability of your video popping up the maximum number of times. And that I'll ensure for each one of you. That will be 101. I'll be asking you कि आप लोग online देते हो या location आपका restriction है कुछ या इतनी ही जगह पे दे सकते हो, जो भी है वो आप लोगों से discuss करके then I'll be tagging each of your videos. And that will be done in a very what do I say, in a very systematic manner where there won't be कि आपने उसको ज्यादा tagging दे दिया और मुझे कम tagging दिया तो मेरे videos आ नहीं रहे हैं, वो वाला कुछ भी नहीं होगा. There won't be anything unfair in it. Everybody would be given the same kind of exposure that you all are giving me. I mean, you have to give me that feedback. When you give me the video, आप मुझे, as I said, the videos have to be provided by before 30th of October. It has to be shared. You have to upload it on your Google Drive, share the link with me, and उस link का access मुझे आप देंगे. और जब आप वो access link देंगे मेरे email ID पे, which is herwork01@gmail.com, वहाँ पे आप मुझे कुछ details fill करके देंगे अपना. The details would be that you'll have to tell me what is your business name. Secondly, what is the title that you wanted to come under, whether it is Spanish classes or whether it is total tuition classes, all subjects included. how it is, whether you have a location specification, online hai, offline hai, only within Indore city hai ya outside 25 kilometer periphery of Indore city hai, एंड आपके एग्जिस्टिंग कोई यूट्यूब चैनल लिंक है, आपका इंस्टा पेज है, आपका जो भी डिटेल्स है वो सब आप उसमें देंगे. So you will get an additional exposure. Like there are so many women who can come up to me and say, why do I need you? I have a YouTube channel of my own. मैं तो चला रही हूँ ना मेरा चैनल, मुझे आपकी क्या जरूरत है? या मेरे पास मेरा इंस्टा पेज है, या मैं किसी और ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म पे हूँ. देखिए आपके पास जो जो है वहाँ existing. For example, you have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Even if you have like 1,000 people coming and having, there is no harm in having another 100 watching you, which might anytime, you know, one of them also gets converted. It's your customer and you are doing it free of cost. I'm not asking you anything other than your 2.5-minute video. उससे ज्यादा मैं आपसे कुछ नहीं ले रही हूँ. Not a single penny expenditure. So even that video, you can use it for your own promotion other than giving it only to me. So it's ultimately going to be no cost, but probability of benefit for you. So that's how it is. Yes.
Will the video be edited by us only? I mean, do you want an edited video from you, or it should be a just crisp raw video which you'll be editing?
If you give me an edited video, that will always be better, because I already have a lot of, you know, the technical details which I need to add into it. And we are almost like 100, 120 plus women over here. So that will be enormous amount of work for me to edit the videos, but I can definitely help you if you guys have an issue or something. Like for instance, I'll just tell you, today I spoke to one female. उनकी problem ये थी कि उन्होंने कहा, although she has an online class, Spanish class है, but उन्होंने कहा कि मैं क्लास में बहुत comfortable रहती हूँ यामिनी, but I don't know how I'll be making my video. मैं सामने आते ही conscious हो जाती हूँ. So I don't know how I'll speak. So the solution I gave her was just come for 2 minutes where you're just telling your name. उसके बाद आपकी किसी क्लास का recording दिखाइए. Where she was very excited. She said, yes, this is a good solution, because there she said my children or the students who are there, they're pretty anxious and pretty entertained and excited to be a part of my class, and I'm very natural over there. But the moment I come alag se in front of the camera, my whole persona changes. So the solution for her was this, कि आप अपना नाम और ये बता दीजिए, उसके बाद recording भेज दीजिए अपने क्लास का. So the probable parent also knows how the teacher is and how the children connect with the teacher. So that way. So if you have any questions while recording your video or how to do it or something, I can always guide you. You all are most welcome to call me. If I'm not able to answer your call instantly, I will definitely, eventually, definitely call back and answer you all.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Mehak ji, boliye.
Yeah, hi Yamini.
Hello.
I found the concept too good. In fact, I am an event planner and an anchor myself.
Oh, wow.
So we did an online exhibition with another group in the month of September, wherein we did the same thing, wherein on their page we put the advertisements.
Okay.
Okay. A video, a recorded video, and I was the mentor for all the women to make their videos actually.
Wow.
Yeah. So in fact, I just wanted to ask for myself also.
Yes.
Like what I had done was I had given my introduction only in the voiceover, and in the front I had shown slides of my work. So a similar thing can be done.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like आज जो ग्रुप में आई थी ना, उन्होंने ये पूछा था कि नहीं, आई एम reluctant for video. मैंने आपको ऑडियो क्लिप जो भेजा था जिसमें मैंने बोला था कि if possible you show your face. If not, in fact, I was about to compliment you on the way you were talking. So I mean, since you said you're an anchor, I could guess that कि आपके voice modulation वगैरह है आपकी बातों में. So what I am trying, so what I'm trying to say is that if you are really very uncomfortable coming in front of the video, please give at least your audio. Show your work in front of the camera could be your work, but your audio needs to be there. Otherwise, फिर क्या difference रहा? फिर तो आप अपने pamphlet छाप के सब जगह भेज दो. The difference.
So it is a limit. Time limit of the video is 2.5
No, the
2.5
time
minutes,
limit is
right?
that the minimum limit is 1.5 because उससे कम में आप बातें अपनी निपटा भी नहीं पाओगे. So 90 seconds you deserve to speak about yourself. It can be more than 90 seconds, but cut it off at 3.5 minutes क्योंकि लोग बोर हो जाते हैं कि पका रही है शॉर्ट में क्या काम है.
I know.
Yeah,
See,
so
the
3.5
video which I had made,
Yeah.
the video which I had already made
Yeah.
was a very crisp one for about 1 minute 14 seconds or something like that. You know?
Sounds perfect.
And
Yeah.
it had partitions like wherein I spoke for 10 seconds.
Huh.
Then I showed my work
Okay.
with music and
Okay. I think you're yeah, I just lost you in the last bit.
yeah, I said I had divided the video wherein I spoke for a very brief period.
Okay.
Then with the voiceover, I showed the slides of my work
Okay.
and my customer reviews and everything. So it
Okay.
can be like I have a free hand, right, to make the video the way I want it.
Absolutely. The way you want to project yourself, it's in your hand. Only insistence is on, if possible, come and connect with the audience face to face. If it's not possible, please go ahead and give at least your voice. And may your product be visible or your service be visible on the screen while you are speaking. And there is no language restriction at all. There could be a lady who is more comfortable in presenting herself in Hindi or Marathi or any language, so it's okay. There's no language restriction unless and until you specialize. Like you are an anchor, I don't know, maybe you might be doing English, you might be doing Hindi. So you can, yeah. So you can communicate.
And also about, see, being an anchor, and I have a restriction of area in offline. Online, we do events all over. Go to Mumbai because I am based in Navi Mumbai.
Oh, great. Okay. So this has a limitation in terms of location. If we, inshallah, by God's grace, if we expand, we'll be huge, and it will be all women all over the world selling to each other, and their customers selling each other. Absolutely no restriction in terms of location at all.
Okay.
Yes, hello.
Thank you so much, and I really like the idea, and looking forward to join with the wonderful video, of course.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to your video. Yes, Neha, you wanted to speak? Hello, Nilima ji.
Hi, I'm little late. I had been to bank. Sorry.
No problem at all, Nilima ji. Fine, absolutely fine. आपको कुछ भी डाउट होगा आप पूछिए.
नहीं, जैसे कि आपने बताया मैंने प्रोडक्ट दिए हुए हैं, but the video I'll make soon and
Absolutely no problem. Take your time in making the video. आपका प्रोडक्ट मैंने देखा. I'll connect with you personally. आपके प्रोडक्ट में ना जो आपने फोटोशूट किया है, the since your label is also white and the photographer is also given you a white background, आपका जो label के ऊपर लिखा हुआ चीजें है ना वो prominently project नहीं हो रहे हैं. So I'll connect with you separately and I'll tell you how to go about it. कि आप उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा changes.
Sure, definitely. Thank you.
Yeah. Looks like no one else has any other doubt. I mean, कोई connect हुआ नहीं है अभी. I just hope it's that way because otherwise on the sly I was getting so many calls and so many confusions were there in the mind. So just once again to just sum it up, you all have to give me this is a YouTube channel जहाँ पे it is a bouquet जहाँ पे we'll be having products and services by women for everybody. No gender bias over there, and this is product as well as service, and no cost, absolutely zero cost for lifetime, except you have to give me your video introducing your product and service, and you have to give these videos by 30th of October. We are about to launch the channel between 10th to 15th of November. There are certain technicalities which I need to take care of, and therefore you need to give me the videos on 30th of October. By 30th of October, you can give me before that. And also, आपके जो वीडियोस आएंगे वो मुझे आपके गूगल ड्राइव पे अपलोड करने के बाद मुझे सिर्फ ड्राइव का लिंक एक्सेसिबल कर देंगे आप, and I will give you a format of how you have to give me, so that I will tell you कि उसमें क्या क्या आपने description देना है along with the video. Yeah, yes, Krishna, you wanted to speak?
I was saying that before we send all of these videos, are there gonna be like more discussions over Zoom calls? Like, for example, like for people who haven't done like entrepreneurship courses or an MBA, but who are starting out their own little businesses, like from home. So are there gonna be more open discussions about those, like these, for example, like today?
Lisa, I don't know whether there is a need. Since I had made an offer today कि आपको वीडियो बनाने में कंफ्यूजन होगा तो भी आ जाइए आज के डिस्कशन में, या कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा तो भी आ जाइए, या आपको लगता है कि कहीं आगे जाके ये हमसे पैसा मांगने वाली है, कमीशन मांगने वाली है, तो भी आप आ जाइए. So I kind of, have given a complete open invitation to everybody. Looks like they are clear about what it is. But if there is anybody on the group, any one of you at any point of time, if you feel कि आपको कुछ confusion आ रहा है, वीडियो कैसे बनाएं ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो please feel free to connect with me. Avoid texting on the group. If your question is valid enough for many people, I will myself be putting it on the group. कितनी बार बाकी लोगों को बोर हो जाता है करके ग्रुप से एग्जिट हो जाते हैं. So try giving me a call or ping me on my personal page individually. I will definitely answer you. So there's not an issue. जैसे नीलिमा जी ने कल मुझे उनके photographs भेजे थे product के, and she was asking me whether it is okay or not. So I'll be connecting with her to guide her a little bit on how to go about it. So any of you, if you have any doubt, please ping me and let me know that वीडियो नहीं बन पा रहा है या ये इश्यूज हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. वी मे नॉट हैव अनदर Zoom session unless I get request from people saying नहीं एक और करो, क्योंकि this session is on recording. I'll be posting the whole session as it is on the group for those who have missed it. So all queries would perhaps be answered over there. Yeah.
Fair enough. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes. Nilima
it's
ji.
like for all of us.
Nilima ji, I can't hear you clearly. Yes, can you repeat it, please?
Yeah. It is like a gift for Diwali from you to all of us.
Oh, please don't say that. I just want to help in some manner to bring women empowerment and for women to be able to, progress in life. I have seen with my own friends, so I feel really bad. It's like people, she needs it, but yet friend circle is like, हाँ ठीक है यार बोल देंगे देखा जाएगा. So no one takes interest in, seeing that you should grow. In fact, I shouldn't be saying this, लेकिन friends जो होते हैं वो अरे बाप रे ये तो जरा ज्यादा ही इसका धंधा चलने लग गया, नीचे लेके आओ. In fact, I'll tell you, strangers would like to help each other more than the friends. You'll have a handful of them who truly want you to progress. So मेरी दिल से इच्छा है कि इसमें से अगर नीडी की किसी की भी बिजनेस में कुछ भी थोड़ा भी फायदा हो जाए तो it's gonna be that blessing is more than enough for me. So that's my whole intention. Hello, Jenia. Jenia, could I talk to you? You don't have to switch it on your screen.
Hi, Yamini. Good evening.
Good evening, Jenia. So you're a choreographer?
No. I am a tarot reader and a numerologist. I also teach music online, and my mother has also recently started her own business. So she makes candles, and she also has a business of saris. So I actually wanted to know more about we for myself and for my mother. And that's the reason when I came.
Jenia, all like you, whatever products or services you mentioned, your tarot and astrology reading has to be a separate video altogether. Your mom's candle, handmade products have to be a separate video again.
A separate video, yes.
And your music service also has to be a totally separate thing again. So
Okay.
yeah, because if you club it in one, it will be very difficult for people to identify with you because you.
I understand.
Even if I give you in the tagging, क्या होगा जब आप आओगे तो शायद आप किसी को कैंडल चाहिए और आप पहले म्यूजिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, या किसी को टैरो रीडिंग चाहिए और पहले कैंडल की डिस्कशंस हो रहे हैं, तो इट कुड बी मिसलीडिंग.
Right.
Therefore, all your products need to be separately videographed and separately tagged, so that will help you.
Correct.
Yeah.
Absolutely, makes sense. So actually, I did get a clear idea from the video that you had sent on the group, but I just thought that I wanted to join the meeting, so in case something else came up,
Yes.
that's the reason I thought I'll join you today. But I have no other doubts, and I'm really glad to be associated with We.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. So girls, anyone has anything else, or shall we call it a day?
Yeah, you can call it a day. I don't think I have any doubt. If any, I can surely WhatsApp you on
Yes,
personally.
definitely. Yeah. Almost all of you are welcome to WhatsApp me, give me a call. Only thing is, if I'm not able to attend it right away, I'll eventually definitely call you back. That's my promise. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
All of you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bye, Nilima ji.
Sachin.